Alright.
Fine.
But why he is very angry, you know, I have very problem with him. He doesn't like people. He is biting with people when he saw. What's wrong with him?
He's not used to people, that's why.
Oh, so what should I do with him?
Now cannot be done anything. He's an adult again now. It was supposed to be done when they are very
Really? So now he is old, so I can do nothing with this.
fixed mind.
Oh my God.
Like
I'm
people,
very
like
afraid
people.
with him because maybe in the Philippines he will bite people.
No, once he used to it, he might accept people. He's not doing anything to me. He was okay with me.
But you know, in home, when I have visitor, he stayed there in the door, and then when he saw people, he's scratching a lot too. I'm very scared with him. He scratched two ladies.
Oh.
I brought in the hospital.
Oh, really?
He's
Yeah,
crazy.
he's vaccinated, so nothing to be worried if, even those scratches.
Mm.
Did you give the details to the guy?
Yeah, I
Okay.
did
So
it.
please take your seat. Once you prepare the handling.
I will go there outside.
Yeah, take your seat.
All right.
Did you notice?
My God.
Did you notice? Where is doctor? You notice?
I think I saw this one before.
You all see it.
ಇದರ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ You want to show?
مرسوك مرسوكي يا حبيبي قالي مشان انت hello مرزوكا ليه ada مرزوكا oh my goodness you are you wanna sleep يا حبيبي حبيبي انت sleeping yan. Tutulog ka na din mamaya, be. Ako, be, mamaya ihatid na kita sa airport. Hatid na ba kita, love? Wawa naman yan. Wawa naman yung baby ko na yan. So, today is 15th. So, 15th, 2 o'clock in the morning. No, it's 1 o'clock. So, it's Leo's flight today. Leo, Leo, sweetie pie. Ay, okay na sleeping yan. It's your flight today. Okay? You have to behave with your handler. You don't bite them. You just need to be a good boy. Okay? And kind to your handler. You don't bite them. And tomorrow you will be in the Philippines, okay? Oh, it seems like you're sad. Don't be sad, love. I'm gonna see you after 3 days. Okay? Just 3 days, love. Only 3 days. I'm gonna see you. Okay? I love you. I will miss you. I will miss you. I will miss you. We pray that everything fine and you will reach in the Philippines safe and sound. Okay? and I wanted to get a good news, and somebody will tell me, oh, Leo is being so good. Marzuki is being so nice at the flight. Okay? I want that good news. And when my friend told me that you're being nice with him, I'll give you a lot of cream. I will treat you a lot when I came in the Philippines, okay? I will see you. Just 3 days. I love you. I love you so much. Oh, you love mama? Kiwa man mo itlog. Mong ikog. You love mama? I love you so much. Leo, are you ready? Oh, I know you are so sad now. You feel? Do you feel that you are leaving and you're not gonna be with mama? It's okay, love. That's life. Sometimes you have to be alone. Okay? Sometimes you needed to be alone. Okay? But I'm gonna see you very, very soon, love. You take care of yourself. Okay? But please, no biting. No biting, okay? Because if you make trouble from me, it means what? It means you are a problem. You are a troublemaker. Then what? I might lose you. So be careful of your action. Okay? Sometimes you have to behave. You can only be crazy with me. Because I am your mother. I can understand how crazy you are, just like me. Okay? But you can't be like that all the time, especially with other people. Okay? Just behave. Control yourself. Don't be so naughty. Don't be a vampire. Okay? You can do whatever you want when you are with me, but not with other people. Do you understand? Do you understand? Marzuki? I love you. I love you so much. Okay, I'll see you soon. You're a good boy. You can do it. Just 8 hours flight. Okay, you can do it, love. I know you're so strong. Oh my God. I'm gonna miss you. Shall I cry? I will not cry, love. Okay? I will not cry. It's okay. Everything will be fine for you. Come on, don't be sad. You pray that you will... You pray that you will be safe. Shh. Started again. Hey guys, now it's 2 o'clock in the morning. So, tingnan nyo guys, andito tayo sa daan. We're waiting for a taxi. We're waiting for a taxi guys. Kasi nga, ito na yung araw na... Ito na yung flight ni Leo. So, can you imagine it's 2 o'clock in the morning. And I'm waiting ng sasakyan dito. Pero kahit na ikaw lang mag-isa dito guys, Oman is very safe. Actually, meron akong binook. So, I'm just waiting for the taxi. And then, we'll update you later, guys. So, medyo matagal yung taxi natin. It says there that 4 minutes away. But I was waiting already like 5 minutes away. No, I mean 5 minutes na ako nagantay. Sorry. So, yun. Para may airplane na lumipad ah. Baka naiwan na si Leo. Naku, wag naman sana. Pakialaman, perfectionist.
Perfectionist, pero hindi naman niya alam kung ano talagang hirap. Kaya ba yung kaya?
Kaya nga,
Ang pinapakialaman niya, yung yung pinakikinggan niya kung sino yung susumbong palagi.
may nagsumbong-sumbong
Yung
pala.
isa, yung Tohir Irani. Ngayon, ilalagay niya sa reception. Sabi ko, sino
So yun guys, nandito na kami. Ginuguyod-guyod lang yung anak ko na yan. Nandito na kami guys.
Ganda ng lagayan mo ah. Maingay lang.
Wawa ka naman.
Maingay. Leia, Leia! Leia, Leia!
Ay nako, saan tayo ngayon? Lado.
Pinabanguhan mo yan?
Hindi, nakalimutan ko.
Wala siya pa ba?
Meron yan pabango pero nakalimutan ko. Yan mo siya. Problema na nila yan. Nandito na kami. My goodness. This is it. So yun guys, nandito na talaga. With my anak. Yes.
Ngayon yung mama, kadugay niya mo dito, mura na yung mag-iigi.
Tapos tingnan mo, oh. Import, export,
Import.
custom. Yung nose na yan. Bakit pulang-pula na yung nose na yan? Akala ko nga yung ticket nila 140, tingnan mo, 112 lang.
Oo.
So makamura ka talaga.
Amin.
It's okay, it's okay. Do you want
Pulang-pula
to
yung
go?
ano niya, pulang-pula yung nguso.
You want to go out lang?
Huwag kasi makunta.
Oo. No, you cannot go out, love. Don't be scared. You cannot go out, okay?
Paano ang lock niya?
Hindi yan, wala, ano, very safe to. Ganito yung bibilhin mo na ano.
Paano?
Yan o. Kailangan mo i-push.
Amin. Amin. Ang Diyos ko, kapangawit.
Hmm.
Amin. Ah. Yes, they sleep. Ay, amin. Hawakan mo yung ano niya.
It's okay, love. It's okay. Oh. Oh my God. Gusto niya lumabas. Uy, mani. Uy. Kargahin kita kaya.
Ayaw. Huwag baka tumakas. Pero hindi pa naman ako nagpa-injection doon. Bitso yun. Nung bagay doon sila nagpapa-injection. Amin. Ayan, ayan. Amin. Nag-observe siya sa lahat ng bagay.
Hmm.
Kaya,
At least hindi siya nag-iingay, di ba? Di ba pag galit siya,
Di ba
gumagagawa?
galit siya sa akin? Pag galit siya, gumagalit siya.
At least very calm lang siya.
Yun niya, kaya ayun, natulog man siya. Sleep. Grabe ang mata niya. Parang kaban ang dindin niya. Hindi yan talaga makatulog, promise.
Where is the phone? Inside?
The food inside, ha?
Have. But have also...
Do you have another food, right?
Yeah.
We have to put here.
Okay.
Nandiyan. Yeah, the water is here, huh? Like this, and the food also, okay? Kasi kailangan yan. Kaya naglagay ko sa buti, oh. Okay, pagdating nyo, sila magpapakain yan. Bubuksa, nila yung...
But for sure, he will not eat. He will be very scared.
Hindi, ang magpapakain yan, veterinary. Yung mga nag-aalaga din doon. Vet din yun, hindi naman sila kukuha ng... Pag uwi ko niya tulog, hindi ako maglalakad kay Binbin.
Okay.
Ganyan kasi niisit niya eh. Marsud.
No, he's scared now with you. He told me I don't like these people. I want to go home. Why I am here?
Tumayo ka nga dyan. Ayun na. Mayroon ba? Lagyan man ng uniyag ko ang dog o fish.
I love, you're okay. Don't be scared, okay?
Yeah, that must design it like from you and never change and the travel number.
Right?
Cut, put
here.
cut,
Right.
cut, right cut.
Dog. It says dog and then you will see. What is this? Is this a dog cat?
No, I don't know. They give us only the stickers like this.
Okay, just write their cat.
Yeah, right
They
there,
have
cat.
to write this.
You
Okay.
have to write. Ilagay mo yung ano number.
Maybe they will fight with you. Why you say like this? This is dog and inside is cat. You're joking with me? Leo, Marzuk, Marzuk, do you look like a cat or a dog?
It's looking at. Leo.
Change this.
A very expensive cat. My expensive cat, my kayamanan, is going in the Philippines. Leaving also.
Leo, bye.
Bye-bye, sweetie pie. Don't be scared, okay? It's everything okay, love. Everything is okay. Okay? Everything is fine. I'll see you in 3 days only. Okay?
Ay, yummy.
Ay, wawa naman yung cutie ko na yan.
She's really like, what's going on?
Tapos yung ilong niya,
Yeah.
namula na.
So, namula, like, she want to cry. She's crying. Wala pa mapasok dito.
Wala pong pasok.
Online daw.
Where do you go? Come here. So at least you know how to come here. Hey guys, so ngayon it's, what time is it? 5 o'clock na. So kakarating ko lang ng bahay guys from airport. So yan, wala nang alaga ko. Yan na lang natira para sa kanya. It's really sad. I'm sad kasi 3 days na hindi ko siya makita. I used to live with Leo for like 3 years now. So wala nang anak ko. Umalis na siya. Nauna lang siya sa akin. Pero for sure I'm gonna miss him. Sana successful lahat yung kung ano man yung biyahe niya. Makarating siya ng safe and sound sa Pilipinas. Sobrang ano ako ba? Sobrang nasad ako as you can see the video before this. Parang namumula yung nose niya. Sobrang takot niya. Parang nanginginig talaga siya. Hindi lang takot. As in, nanginginig talaga siya. Nininervous talaga siya kasi he never know other people. Kasi nga, lagi lang siya nasa kwarto. He is always with me. Ako lang nakikita niya. Tapos minsan, pag may nakikita siya na ibang tao, kinakagat niya. Kasi nga, wala siya talagang kakilala as in. So ngayon, very challenging itong nangyari kasi he is going to fly alone. So, sana after 8 hours, makarating siya ng Pilipinas, 8 to 10 hours, at malalaman ko na he's okay and he's fine with my friend already. So yun guys, balitaan ko na lang kayo. Now it's 5 o'clock, I need to sleep. At least some of the baggage in my head, natapos din natin guys. As in, kasi si Leo yung pinaka-stressful na nangyari sa buhay natin. But now that he's flying and yeah, I'm gonna see him very very soon guys. So thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you soon. Bye. Guys, sobrang tingnan mo yung mukha natin. Diyos ko Lord, no? Nag-discoloration na tayo so walang tulog. Yeah, actually hindi na ako na-stress about work. Parang na-stress ako ba sa yung uwi ka na lang tapos may isipin ka pa like Leo, like baggage, alam mo yun, a lot of things. Nauwi ka na nga sana, tapos ma-stress ka pa, 'di ba? And stress na ako, at least ngayon nabawasan na yung stress natin, guys, because I've sended Leo already. So, yun, parang parang masaya lang talaga sa pakiramdam, at least, 'di ba? Yung hindi ako natutulog ng ilang araw or sa tuwing lumalabas ako kasi inasikaso yung papers niya, like from morning, nakakauwi ako ng evening. It was really, really hard. Pero ngayon that napalabas ko siya, nakuha ko lahat yung papers niya. It's like big achievement for me kasi alam mo yun, I took everything with myself, like from the scratch talaga guys, na hindi ko alam paano ko nagawa yung ganun ba na bagay, alam mo yun, like can you imagine, ako lang yung, usually kasi yung mga gumagawa ng ganyan dito, may PRO sila na lalaki yung nag-aasikaso, but for myself, for Leo's case, I did it for myself. Like, I'm a woman. Pupunta ako doon sa mga iba't ibang agency, alam mo yun, just to get all those documents. Grabe yung pinagdaanan ko, guys, para lang talaga maitawid. At naitawid naman natin. I'm so happy and glad na naiuwi ko siya ng Pilipinas. Ngayon, ang problema na naman natin kung paano siya natin from Manila to Mindanao. So, yun na naman yung problemahin natin, guys, pagdating ko ng Manila. Kasi I only have like 1 week na magstay din sa Manila just to process everything. But I think I'm not so worried that much kasi that's my country. So, alam ko paano pasikot-sikot siguro doon. Dito kasi it's not my country. Like, I don't know where to go. Pero nagawan talaga natin ng paraan. Magtanong ka lang at alam mo yun? Alam ko hindi madali yung pinagdaanan ko, guys, kasi ikukwento ko for the next video kung ano yung pinagdaanan ko regarding to his old documents. As in, na-scam ako. Marami akong pinagdadaanan. Na-scam ako. Nagbayad ako ng napakamahal na hindi naman dapat. So, that video, for those people who wanted to bring their cut in the Philippines, I can share everything for you guys because from my side, you know, I tried to look from YouTube, from Oman to Philippines, how to bring their cut, but I never seen the way that I wanted. Parang kina-cut off lang niya, punta ka doon, ganyan, but it's not behind the scene. But there's a lot of things happening behind the scene. Yun yung gusto kong iparating at maibigay sa inyo kung paano nga ba ninyo madala yung mga pets niyo sa Pilipinas in a very easy way. You just need your strength, your patient, you know. So yun yung mga bagay na isi-share ko sa inyo very soon after this video or maybe pagdating natin sa Pilipinas. Kasi now is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I would be very busy these days. Saturday na yung flight natin. So marami pa akong dapat i-clear like internet. Kailangan ko pang i-clear yung pangalan ko. So, maybe I can make a video para sa mga tao, para sa inyo na gusto ding dalhin yung mga pet ninyo sa Pilipinas. Nakakatulong to, guys. Lahat ng details ibibigay ko sa inyo para hindi kayo magaya sa akin kasi you have to learn your mistake. Kasi nga ako na, dami kong mali. Pero nandun na yun eh. But at least those mistakes, may bigay ko sa inyo na hindi nyo magagawa kagaya ng ginawa ko kasi I did so many guys, and I will tell you all the details in the next video. Okay, I don't know when, but I will give you all the details soon, guys, soon. Okay, so yun lang naman, guys. I'm so pagod na I went out 2 o'clock in the morning and I came home 5 o'clock, so 3 hours ako sa labas. So, and yesterday, full day ako na sa labas, like 12 hours. So, wala akong tulog. So, let me sleep, guys. And thank you for watching and I hope to see you soon.